Replacing windows in your Columbia home is a significant investment that can enhance energy efficiency, improve curb appeal, and increase property value. However, homeowners often make mistakes during the window replacement process that can lead to costly repairs, decreased performance, and unnecessary frustrations. To ensure a successful window upgrade, here are the top mistakes to avoid when replacing your windows. Choosing the wrong type of windows. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows that do not suit their home's architecture, climate, or personal needs. Columbia's climate experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making energy-efficient windows a crucial consideration. Choose windows with proper insulation, such as double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and high energy performance ratings. Additionally, consider window styles that complement your home's design, such as casement, double-hung, or bay windows. Neglecting energy efficiency rating. Energy efficiency is an essential factor when replacing windows, but many homeowners overlook performance ratings. Look for windows with the ENERGY STAR certification, which indicates superior energy savings. Pay attention to ratings such as the U factor, which measures insulation, and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, which indicates how well the window blocks heat from the sun. Choosing energy-efficient windows can help reduce utility bills and keep your Columbia home comfortable year-round. Failing to consider local building codes. Before replacing your windows, ensure they comply with Columbia's local building codes and regulations. Failure to adhere to these codes can result in fines, installation delays, or even forced removal of the windows. Check with your local municipality or consult a professional contractor to ensure your window choices meet all necessary requirements. Hiring an inexperienced contractor. A common mistake homeowners make is hiring an inexperienced or unqualified contractor to install their windows. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, and structural issues. Always research contractors thoroughly, read reviews, ask for references, and verify licenses and insurance before hiring. Choose a professional with experience in window replacement to ensure the job is done correctly the first time. Attempting a DIY installation without proper knowledge. While DIY projects can save money, window replacement is a complex task that requires precision and expertise. Incorrect installation can cause gaps, insulation issues, and operational malfunctions. Unless you have professional experience, it's best to leave window replacement to the experts to ensure a secure fit and optimal performance. Overlooking proper measurements. Ordering windows without taking precise measurements is a costly mistake that can lead to ill-fitting windows, delays, and additional expenses. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensuring a seamless installation and preventing issues such as drafts, leaks, or difficulty opening and closing the windows. Professional contractors take exact measurements to guarantee the perfect fit for your home. Prioritizing price over quality. While budget is an important factor, choosing the cheapest option can result in poor quality windows that may not last long. Low-cost windows may lack energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Instead, Invest in high-quality windows that offer long-term benefits, such as enhanced insulation, noise reduction, and increased home value. Ignoring warranty and maintenance requirements. Many homeowners forget to review window warranties and maintenance needs before making a purchase. A solid warranty protects against manufacturing defects and installation errors. Additionally, some windows require specific maintenance, such as regular cleaning or resealing, to ensure longevity. Read the warranty details and maintenance instructions carefully to avoid voiding your coverage. Not considering future home value. When replacing windows, think about their impact on your home's resale value. High-quality, energy-efficient windows can attract buyers and boost your home's market appeal. On the other hand, cheap or improperly installed windows can deter potential buyers. Choose windows that enhance both functionality and aesthetics for maximum return on investment. Failing to plan for the installation process. Window replacement can be a disruptive process, and failing to plan can cause unnecessary stress. Consider factors such as weather conditions, scheduling with contractors, and preparing your home for installation. Clear furniture away from windows, cover valuable items to protect against dust, and discuss timelines with your contractor to ensure a smooth installation process. Final thought. Avoiding these common mistakes when replacing windows in your Columbia home can save you time, money, and frustration. By selecting the right windows, hiring experienced professionals, ensuring proper installation, and prioritizing energy efficiency, you can enjoy long-lasting benefits and improved home comfort. If you're planning a window replacement project, consult with a trusted contractor to ensure a seamless and successful upgrade.